Hello everyone, welcome back. We're playing in my Classic Happy Planner for the 3rd week of October, 4th week, depending on how you look at it. It's the 3rd open page, but it started on this day, which was technically part of the September month, so like I said, depends on how you look at it. So get those pages out. This week I did how should I decorate my planner again, and I got that I should decorate to match the outfit I'm wearing, which today is just some black leggings and a solid shirt about this color. I don't know what color you would say that is, like a seafoam green, something like that. So we're gonna get kind of close to that. If you remember, a couple of weeks back, I actually had a really hard time finding stickers that color. But I also realized I missed a really good sticker book that has a lot of that color, and that is this Recollections Gold sticker book, and it has a lot in there, so we're going to use that. And the original sticker book that I found with that color, we're going to use some more of that page that I used for my husband's birthday spread. I'm going to use some more of these plants because I think that'll look cool. And I got out colorful boxes, which I know it does not have that green color, but it does have some black, and we might have to make some more of our own. Like these ones I have used the box, but I could put it onto sticker paper and make some more. We might do that. So that's where we're headed. So if you want to see that, stick around to the end, and let's do that. Okay. So I'm going to start off with whiting out these boxes so we can put stuff over them. And the 22nd is a payday, so I will use that box. I need to put my habit tracker in. I think we need to print some more soon. I think I have one more left. It's just a habit tracker I made in a Word document. Ooh, I don't like that. Okay, we'll need to put something there. And so I created the rectangle shape. I measured this box. It didn't come out exactly right, so measure better than I did. But that's what I did. And then inside the box, I inserted a table. Well, you have to insert text and then insert a table. And then inside the table, I just added days of the week and the chores, I guess, that I do every single day. I try and get these things done, I do 1 load of laundry every day. Really not really on the weekends most days, but it's still on there because I can just mark off that I didn't do it that day. And I want to do dishes twice a day or whatever. So that's that. And like I said, we need bills to pay. I think we're going to keep making this a meal plan. So let's see what this gold sticker book has that we can use. Some emojis. These will be good. Okay, I don't see any meal plan thing, which I kind of figured. So I think I'm going to save it for later, and I have some brush pens, and we might write meal plan in there. Script plan. Okay, so over here we need a to-do list, which the don't forget will work well for that. I like this one because it kind of goes all the way from the blue to the green, so it's the shade of my shirt is somewhere in the middle there. And I just noticed this one doesn't have boxes on it anymore, so yeah, I don't know what happened. well, I do. I mean, like, obviously Happy Planner changed it, but, like, I don't remember that. Was it like that last week? Or is this just, like, a misprinted week? Last week's is not on that side. It's just a misprinted week. So I think in this Carnival boxes, we definitely have, like, a black checklist. So I might do that over here. Will it work here? Yeah, I think it'll work fine here. So we'll do it here. The bullet points don't line up exactly even, but let's just do it over here. Okay, and I'm just going to chop off that tail part. Cute. So we need something right there. Okay. It says get it done. Good. So I need something for this box as well. And I think again, the same as the last time, I'd like to put this plant up in this corner. We might do another checklist for the bills to pay. Okay, we did it. Good. Should we add another one? Nah, it'll be fine. Then back to what I was saying. I need something for that box. We might make it like a like put a Bible verse there again. So I might use that as like a washi strip. That fits pretty well, so we'll leave it like that. Or should we cut off that little piece? Okay. I really like it like that better. I really like these little like boxes with bullet points in them. So I probably want to use one of those too. 18 through 24. I don't have any plans yet, so we'll just make it up. I mean, just add it for decoration now, and not necessarily because we have something that needs to happen. Let's just do that. Okay, I want to add this plant, and then really, I think that's all I want out of this page. Because that's all the ones with the, like, green. And then let's just flip through these pages and add some decoration. Do you want the like checklist like this, or the one that like blends? I like this one better. Like I said, I want to add some black boxes. We want to add some of this size and some of the other size. So let's just add maybe like one of each. Okay. I'm just going to cut this out. It is not perfect, but it is okay to not be perfect. Out. And I just cut really close to these shapes. Now here comes another hard part in trying to get straight. Let's decide how we want it first. Like that. Like that. No, I didn't really go like that. Okay, now we have to get the back of the sticker paper off without taking the box off the sticker paper. Okay. I'm still looking. I feel like it needs like a little bit more. This really is not super matching my outfit anymore, but that's okay. Oh, and I just realized Sunday doesn't have a box or anything, so we probably should put something there too. Wondering if we should just use this gold to do. Under this one, I think I want to use some of this washi. I just been seeing washi under boxes a lot on Instagram, and really like that look. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully. Okay. And then we're gonna need washi under something else to like balance it. Now I need something right there. Like I said, it looks nothing like my shirt because my shirt is just like solid this color and then solid black. But it has that color and it has black, so I'm fine with where it ended up. It looks really cute, so that's the important part. I feel like I do need something down in this corner. Let's go back. I know I said I wasn't going to use this anymore, but I feel like this is the one that has all the decoration things. But if I add these in, then they all have peach. I don't want to add more peach. I like this one, but I just feel like it's so big. Like, I bet we have some more with that one. I think it was in here. A lot brighter though, but they do match. Yeah, we're gonna do it. That's where he's going. So he pulled up some of that box. I don't know, but I'm gonna leave it. So, that was Happy Memory Keeping. Or it might be called Floral Memories. Yeah, Floral Memories. And then this is like Craft Sensations sticker set number 1. And some white and black plaid washi. And the Recollections goal stickers and colorful boxes. And like I said, I want to do some brush lettering, but so I have like these colors, and then like all of this section. So this one like looks like it's the same color as my shirt, so I don't know what it looks like when you write with it. Yeah, so definitely gonna use that. I'm debating if I should try to do it on here and then stick it down so there's like a like buffer if I mess up, or if I should just go for it. I'm gonna go for it, which might be a little crazy, but that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna leave it as needles. Then I have like a outline to go by. And then I'm gonna use this and kind of like bleed them together. These I just got off of Amazon. They work pretty well. They're definitely not as good as like the Tombow, but they're also like about the same price for like 100 colors as for like, I don't know, 20 or something that come in a pack. So quality over quantity, you get to decide. But it makes it nice for like if you want like more colors to choose from, so like make sure you're getting the right shade that you need, instead of just like there's one pink, it's the right pink or not. But I have a couple Tombows obviously, or I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. And I obviously have that pack too, so I use both of them, and I like both of them. But this is not a Tombow review or whatever anyway. So if you liked this planner spread, oh, I just remembered that, and I don't like that. So we're just gonna use the school sticker book and get like one of those little tiny, let's use this Keep Going. And just put it right there. Yep, that's good. Okay. So, back to what I was saying, now I'm done. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when I put up new videos, because YouTube won't always show you if you don't have the little notification bell set. And yeah, just comment down below if there's anything you would have changed, or if you saw a sticker I should have used, or if you have any questions or other comments. Yeah, thanks. Bye!